Mensa, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Come join our little family. And if you're returning subby, hi Mensa, how are you doing? I'm good, I'm great, I'm perfect. Okay guys, before you shout, let me tell you all the real deal. Let me not lie to y'all. Let me not like front or anything. I have two vlogs, and I have an hour-long video that needs to cut into two parts. I am hiring editors because I can't. I'm not able to. I'm tired, because I'm so tired. I genuinely have vlogs. I genuinely have the videos. I am too lazy to edit. Oh my gosh, I'm so lazy to edit. Oh my gosh. So damn. I'm telling me that it's 9 o'clock, okay? But I've done everything that I need to do by 9, so it's okay. As you can see, today's Friday, by the way, guys. So let me tell you what's been happening this week. This week we started our World Explosion convention, right? So it was like a whole week except for Monday. I went there Tuesday, and my friends are like, "You better be vlogging." I was like, yes. Can I tell you what it is today? It's Friday. I didn't attend church Wednesday and Thursday because my mom had work, so that's why. But I did stream. But yesterday we couldn't stream because they didn't drop it till like this morning, so I have to go watch those. And then what else? Tuesday I wanted to vlog, but then I was like, it was so hectic. I was so overstimulated. Everything was happening at once. Things were not going according to plan. Things were hectic. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't. But I'm gonna do it now, today, because I'm going today and I'm going tomorrow and I'm going on Sunday. So at least you're gonna get sign. Today's day 4. Don't blame me. Blame me. Okay? But yeah, guys. What else? Yeah, you're just gonna come with me, for the whole day. I just finished doing washing, and I just need to touch up the house. I don't have to cook because there's enough food from yesterday that we can take eat, and everybody get full, basically. And I'm gonna make breakfast now because I didn't make breakfast. Randy, I'm sorry, I'm not fasting today. I can't. It's gonna be a hectic day. I need my energy. Okay. Yeah. I'm not fasting today. But anyways, guys, I have an idea of what I want to do to my hair, and I came up with it yesterday. And now I have intrusive thoughts, right? So if immediately I know what I want to do with my hair, I need to do it when? Then and then. So when did I come up with this idea to do for my hair? I came up with it around 7, right? 7 p.m. I saw the hairstyle. I was like, I want to do that for now, for the next month, 2 months, because December it's a whole new hairstyle. We'll go in a cab, period, right? So I wanted to test out this color, the specific color that I want to do for camp now, to see if I like it or not, right? So I looked at the color, looked at everything. I was like, yes, I want to do it. Did I not start looking? I started searching everywhere for this color. I was like, I'm gonna start today. Like, girl, you have a place to be by 3. Why would you do that to yourself? You know what I'm saying? Because I'm insane. I think I can do it, and I can do it now, but I just don't have the patience for it. And plus, I'm still at home. If I was really serious, I would be started already. And I don't think it's gonna take long because it's like a quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, here we are. And then my sister's standing in front of me. I don't know why. She's literally looking at me recording. I don't know why. But yeah, guys. I really want to do this hairstyle, but I don't have the hippies, and my hair needs to get washed. Look, my hair's been like this. And you're not gonna see, well, you're gonna see my hair when I leave it out when we go. But yeah, you guys are also gonna, I don't think you're gonna help me because I'm only posting this on Monday. So I wanted to say you guys are gonna help me pick an outfit. No, you're not. You know what, ne? I'm gonna try post the first part of the sit down girl talk with my bestie. I'm gonna try. This is me saying I'm gonna try my best to post it, right? Because bro, that thing is long. It's like an hour something, bro. It's like hour 30. So I'm gonna try my best to post it today, and then I'm gonna post the second part on Tuesday, no, on Monday, and then this is gonna come out next Friday. So at least I'm sorted. But then I need another. Oh, I have 2 vlogs that I have not posted. Okay, I have vlogs. So then I'm gonna post those vlogs. They're gonna be out of whack because this is like months later. Because I got lazy. Like, guys, editing is fun and all till you have to do it. Like, all the ideas I have, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this, and then you have to do it, and I'm just like, that's a lot of work, low key. That's a lot of work. Anyways, okay, now let me go make breakfast, and then I'm gonna try, while I'm making breakfast, I'm gonna edit the other videos, so at least I can post something today, and then we can continue from there. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, let's go, guys. Hey, guys, it's like a few... Oh, that's like 50 and 48 minutes because this clock is very like 3 minutes ahead of time. But I just started with this breakfast, but I cleaned the bathroom and I edited the video. Turns out it was not a lot of editing. I was just being lazy. Clock it. I have to edit the second part, so as well I just posted it and it's fine. But yeah, so yes, this is I'm making breakfast now. So whilst it's already, my video is already uploading, but by the time you guys see this, you've already seen the other 2 videos, so that's okay. So yeah, it's already uploading. It's not gonna post now, but it's gonna post at 7:30. So I set it as a schedule and as a premiere. So let me go edit the other one. So I'm not a lazy person, and then we'll finish it done with like QT prepare. So see you guys on the next one. Love you guys, love you loads. You're just gonna spend the day with me today. So yeah, before I burn the oil, let me go. This is a gas stove, okay? So it's very quick, fast, in a hurry. Okay. Big man. Hey, okay. It's currently 1 o'clock. My mom comes home in an hour. I just finished ironing her outfit for tonight. I'm wearing half of my outfit, the other half you know when you love, because I always wear it and it's very simple. But today I'm gonna wear tights because I realized they go low, like they go very low, and sometimes my skin shows and I just want to look like a yo-yo. But when you like impahla outside now, just go just big. I already did some of the washing. I did all the not the pants. I put the shoelaces and everything. So, and then I'm gonna do my hair, and then yeah, we're just gonna wait for my mom to come back because I already did the other stuff that I needed to do. So yeah, oh, I didn't put them. Okay. But yeah, guys, that's just it. The house is clean. I'm clean. My sister's getting clean. Okay, this hurts. Why does this hurt? Oh, I have a pimple in my inner thigh. Do you know how painful that is? Now, not only am I chafing, but I have a pimple. Those yellow ones. Yeah, they're very painful. But yeah, let me go do this and then get ready and then we can leave. Yeah.
Significant damage. The event, which sparked concerns after videos circulated on social media, has been classified as the weakest category on the Enhanced
So I want to make it really extend this gentlemen. We play my cousin because Lindy addresses the issue of ethnic equality on this show.
Thank you very much for being on the line. I do apologize for the lack of listening. So,
Okay, guys, so we just arrived at church. It is so full. We had to park at the back. We had to park at a park. This is like, and church is like over there. I'm just waiting for one of my friends to get here and this current service to get out so we can go outside and mingle with people and I can buy scopas because I've been craving scopas and I couldn't buy them on Tuesday because I was like, let's go get seats. But yeah, hopefully we can because like I don't think people want to leave. Hopefully we can get seats or whoever is in there can save us some seats. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do my face. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna do my face and then it's just lips and my lashes, mascara. And then your new car, who this? Yo, okay, let me actually do this. Oh, my hair is so huge. Sluck. Yeah, let me. You guys want to see my lip combo? But I think you know my lip combo, no? I wanted to say a very bad joke, but I stopped myself. If you ask me what lip liner, lip tone do I use, it's this. Let me show you the full one. I don't want to use it now, this one, because I don't have the full, like the, I almost said charger, the sharpener. So I'm just going to use this one. Easy G. Man, I don't know. You're going to be my mirror, okay? Okay. Just watch me from there. I'm in people's business. Ow. I'm already halfway to my hair looks so see-through, but it's so full. It's just stretched out. Oh, this is the full lip oil, because remember they were switched, so this is the one I used. Or if this one is like when I'm feeling like cute, like a little bit of bubble, and then this one is just like a normal white, not white, clear. But yeah, these are the two. This is called Kiss from a Rose, this is number 1, and this is Pink Champagne, which is number 3. But yeah. Ew, I don't like it when he does it. I'm making dishes though. Do not like that. I'm way too close to my face. What's going on? And then for lashes, if I have not done my lashes, like isn't like putting classes and everything, I'm gonna do this one. She's been through a lot, but it is the Essence. I'm an Essence girl. It's the Essence lash. I genuinely can't see, but it's curl and volume mascara. Like I genuinely can't see like what it is anymore. There's a different look to it now. There's this one and there's like a thicker one, but I think it's a little smaller, but I'm not too sure. I think it's just smaller in size. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and I'm just gonna wait for my friend to get shot, and then move on with life. I like this setting. I like this setting because then in case you can also see who this is next to me. I'm exposing a lie. Okay, guys. I do my lashes in a very unique way, so don't mind it. Okay. But guys, I genuinely feel like ever since I put my trust lashes, my lashes have not grown back. Because I'm just like, there's no way I have this few of like eyelashes, but like it's the full eye, so you mean not lying here basically. I don't know why, as women, when we do our lashes, our mouth has to do that weird thing. Can you see the difference already? Look, define and not define. But yeah, I don't know why guys do that, because it's just like weird. But yeah, easy change. I don't know. I'm looking out for some new stuff. Okay, I'm gonna switch my lips. Ready? Yeah. And there you go. I'm just gonna do this just in case I get famous and then people wanna make it to me. Whoop. No, like, this is high key tea. Period. Anyways, yeah, guys. What time is it? It's 4:20. The service comes at 5. What are we gonna do in the meantime? Because I could go inside and like save seats already, but like it's literally full. And there's a service currently going on, so I doubt we're gonna find seats. I'm just gonna ring up my friend and then we're gonna go do that. For now, or I can take one of my friends who's already inside and ask her like, baby, please save us seats for like 4 people. We are already here. It's just that we're outside. We're stuck outside. Okay. A little pretty. I'm getting distracted. Okay, guys. I've been saying okay, so I'm saying something different. Let me just wait for my friend and then I'll come back when she gets here, because she did say that she is very much close by. And then yeah. Imagine now you have to force yourself to learn other things. Up in here. When today? Today? Where? I feel like that's Ria, but I know it's not. Oh, that's BK. Never mind. No, genuinely they look alike. Like the physique of walking. Yes. You just being weird. Here.
Why is it not being?
They're gonna put chairs. Oh, we just got to church, guys. It's very hectic. It's break time. So, yeah. Okay, can we go see the people? Wow. Screen record.
Hi, tube of Sise.
So here I am.
And she hasn't been coming to church since Tuesday. She hasn't been coming to church since Tuesday. And that is not fine. Because she had to come Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Bye, vlog. Bye.
So good to see you again.
Sizambona nge-camp.
No, rehearsal.
Mama rehearsal we-camp.
Shabune.
Bye, guys. Mina ngihleli lapha ngiku-equilibrium position yami.
Yazi ngabona uDivine ugcwele yonke indawo. Khona omunye lapha.
Iyahamba ngale business yabo yazi. It's showing levels.
Guys, i-service izoqala nesangaphambi. Because what you gonna do? Mungekho happy la uhlala khona.
And let me tell you something first. Get your divine hoodie.
Period.
Before camp, so get my spend a
Get your divine hoodie. They also have a cap now, which is pretty expensive. Pray to God, Puri, He gives you that 300 to buy a cap.
Yawuzwa, pray. Mina ngathenga i-cap ise-airplane ngisifakele udini kade. Once.
I get this letter.
Once. Lihle, yes. 50. A fitted cap 50.
Can't buy during all of the love to magic. I will 100. I 3. Okay, guys, I did that.
I sleep with sorrows.
I'm scared.
Yeah? I said, okay, I don't know where we're going.
Because in the kingdom of God, everything is not equal. God is not our friend. But even when you come to the Lordship of God, there's a problem. What I'm saying, verse 14 is problematic for us, particularly in number of the story.
Move us from here.
The next segment.
Yep.
English doesn't do a service. Text, it's just creative. But when you go to the original,
Never again.
there are two names by which God is
Children, thank you.
exactly.
Hello Mensa, it is day 5. Yay! I'm on my way looking for my friends now. I see her. Okay, let me go get to her first.
Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Amen.
My soul.
Santa. It is day 6 and it's the final day. I'm I'll show you properly what I'm wearing outside. That's if I remember, because I keep forgetting, you guys. It's not on purpose. I swear. It's not on purpose. But yeah, I just want to style my horror. And then I'm going to eat breakfast. And then, yeah, period. But yeah. And then I have to do my face, because very proud, very excited. Very proud, very excited. Oh, there's hair everywhere. It's cold. It's okay. I don't think it's okay. It's cold and it's windy. And I made this choice, so I'm gonna stick with it. But I have my shirt, so I'm gonna be so warm. Actually, I have a picture of what I'm wearing because I've worn it before and I liked it. So I'm gonna wear it a few years later or a few months later. Oh, that's my mommy. I'll put a picture here because there's space here. I'll put it there. So, yeah. I'm gonna style the hair, which is very simple because I'm not gonna do complicated hairstyles because if I do, I'm gonna crash out. So we're just gonna do a puff. And then we're gonna call it a day. So I can move on with life. I like this. I like this so much. Yeah. This is amazing balls. Show me what you're looking at. Well, just wait a minute. Ooh. Great. And I'm gonna bring it out and about. Guys, my hair's not been washed. It's been like 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks. And I've made the executive decision to wash my hair. Oh, I'm sitting so uncomfortable. Ew. My tight. It's drizzling. I have natural hair. So I'm not leaving the car because it's drizzling. What the heck? But it's fine. I'll make do. Yeah. There's so much hair everywhere. Oh God, please let it not rain. I can see it's drizzling, but like, please don't rain. I would literally much rather it be windy than rain. Like, please. I'm not gonna do my lips as yet because I'm about to eat. And I feel like that is dumb. So instead, I'm just gonna do my eyes and then I'm gonna eat and then gonna do my lips. Okay. I'm gonna leave you guys here. Okay. Because I also like want distractions. Because I don't know where my friend is. And I just realized there's people in the cars next to me and I'm just talking to my phone. Okay, see you guys later. No? I won't forget you. I will try. Does my hair look good? Does it look good? Let me show you a bit. Does it look good? I'll look at it, so I'll see. Don't lie to me. I'm back with not so good news. Let me show you. It's raining. I don't have a hat. Like, I'm not even worried about like the coldness or whatever. No. I don't have a hat. I don't have nothing to cover up this beautiful mane. This is currently what I'm dealing with. I can butter till a certain point, you know what I'm saying? Like, at some point. At some point, I need to leave. At some point, I need to leave this car. It's raining. My chat is ne. I checked the rain. I mean the weather. It did say 85% chance of rain, right?
Really, nigga?
But I said, with God there's a way. You know what I'm saying? Here we are. It's raining. It's literally raining. Okay, I just needed you guys to know that it's raining. The drama of being outside. Hey, here's Chloe. Yo, Chloe. Lagoban. Oh, Lagoban. Hey, say hello. What's with the lips? I hate I hate the way people do that. Wait.
Oh, wait, I was like,
She has to pretend like, look. Hi. Doggies. As I'm ready.
wait.
To the car.
Oh. I'm not gonna play with your friend.
What?
You're not gonna play with your other friend.
We don't play.
You're not gonna do that.
Hi, Abo. We lucky drip the same.
You start to play.
Green is the theme for the day. Green and white. Or Chantal's gonna be blue.
And white.
Yeah.
But green and blue are kind of like distant cousins.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Guys, everybody just got here and it's so hectic. It is so hectic. Close properly, please. And I need to take my sister to class so I can be free and do as I please. Ooh, they just got here. But you know where to go, right? But you know where to go though.
Signing.
I have to sign.
No.
What? That was only for yesterday though. Hey, it's fine.
Pose for it. Yes. Strike a pose. Divyne. Turn around. Yes. Oh, yes. Hi, I'm Asante. I'm Chloe. And we're wearing Divyne.
and the day was so hectic, guys. Like, I couldn't even like film properly, and if I'm blurry, my badness. Okay, I just got home, I'm tired. I changed out of my outfit for the day. I just needed to calm down, needed to offload, and today was the Divyne. Oh, I never told you guys this because I wasn't even sure. But today was our Divyne shoot between me and my friends from Midrand. So that's what we were doing today. And I'll show you guys what we have and then what's gonna be posted and everything. And then yeah. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, I couldn't film during everything as much as I wanted to. I just like didn't. I couldn't. But I'm gonna ask Karabo to send me the videos that I took. But you will already have seen them because I'll also notify that like this is the videos that I took. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Share this with your friends. Share with anybody who you think would like my type of content. And I hope you guys like come back for the next one whenever that is, because you know me. But that is a wrap for Word Explosion of 2025. And Divyne photo shoot. But yeah, guys, I hope you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Turn on your post notifications, okay? Okay.